The top 5 reasons why I flip land and why you should get into land flipping too. First off, it is extremely non-competitive. There are not very many people that are wanting to flip land. One, because it's not the sexy thing to do, and two, because they think you can't make as much money as flipping houses, which is totally untrue. The second reason is you can make anywhere from $10,000 to $30,000 on every single land flip, and we've seen deals that have exceeded over $100,000 in gross profit. The third reason, for every deal that we would do with a house, as far as wholesaling, we will do 5 to 6 land deals for every one house deal. So again, it is very non-competitive and you can make tons of money flipping land. The fourth reason, it is very easy to find a buyer for a land deal if you're looking for the right types of land. Now, obviously, I teach you the exact type of land that you want to go after when you're flipping land. But when you're flipping land, finding a builder to buy your land is the number one resource for buyers. Fifth reason is it's very easy to flip land virtually. You don't need to go and look at a house when you're looking at flipping land because there's no house on the vacant piece of land. It's one of the easiest niches of real estate to get into if you want to do it from overseas, if you want to do it from home, if you want to do it virtually. So guys, if you want to learn how to flip vacant land and you want to learn how to set up a business that will start closing you some deals, go ahead and text me right here.